Hello viewers and welcome back to my channel. This is Gluteal Extra and my name is Operator Glory. Okay, today I want to be showing us the right way to prepare our attachment for ventilating. In case you're a beginner and you're wondering if you are to stretch your attachment or not, and also be giving you a reason or reasons why you should stretch your attachment and reasons why you should not stretch your attachment, and also a tips or tips that will make you faster. Like you can see, this part I ventilated is just let me just say an hour. I took an hour to ventilate this whole part you're seeing here. Took an hour to ventilate it. And note, I'm not a professional. I'm also a beginner. I would say I'm also a beginner, and I ventilated this in 1 hour. So without wasting much of your time, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified of anytime I post any ventilation series you want to see. And I will take you through this tutorial as quick as possible. Just do yourself good to watch the video to the end. So the first thing I'll be doing now is I will just be showing us the attachment I'm using. Actually, this is the attachment I'm using. I didn't stretch this one. I didn't stretch this one. But if you check my video, like this one of my video I did, that's my first ventilation video I did, that the blue attachment was stretched. But now you want to know why you shouldn't stretch your attachment. If you are ventilating, if you don't stretch your attachment and you're ventilating, you have the less, let's say, you're going to be free. You're going to be free. Like you won't be having this pull. Like, because when you're ventilating, you will find out that some strands of hair are already out, then they are cut, they are short. Like you'll just be up here, you just be like this. Some strands of hair will just be facing you up here, and once you pick them, they won't be able to enter into the hole very well. So that's why you don't have to stretch your attachment. Don't worry, when you're done, if you didn't stretch your attachment, when you're done, all you have to do is to condition your attachment and make it ready for breathing. But if you have already stretched attachment, like I had already stretched attachment and I used it, like you can see this side that is feathered, I already had stretched attachment and I used it, but it stressed me a lot. Like I wouldn't have been so fast the way I did this, because once you just put in your ventilating pin and then you drag out, you'll notice that the attachment they break so fast. I don't know if it's from the person that actually stretched it, because I'm not the one that stretched it at first. It was the remnant of the attachment I used in making my hair. All I just did was to cut it into smaller part and then stretch it myself. But before then, the attachment was already breaking. So I then found, like, I was just like, should I continue? Should I stretch or should I not stretch? But I found out that Sharon OTV, she's a professional ventilator. She's into braided wigs. I found out that she does not stretch her attachment. She does not stretch it. She will just cut it into 5. Yes, cutting 5, and then she will start breathing. She doesn't stretch. And I found out that it makes ventilating fast, because by the time you finish stretching the attachment, that will be about like 5. Let's just say, okay, not to be too not to be, let's just say 2 hours or one. Let's just say 1 hour. Let me not be too pessimistic. So when you don't stretch out, you get tired. But once you just unlock your attachment, just hold them into 45 and just breathe them, ventilate just like that without stretching them. It's fine. Then after that, you can then condition and treat your ventilated wig for braiding. Then the next one now I want to tell us is that when you're ventilating, okay, and you notice that your pickings are scattered like this, they are very scattered, please don't continue ventilating, because you'll be like looking for the one to pick. You'll be just be confused on what to pick. So make sure that once it gets scattered like this, and it normally happens when maybe it's remaining little, once you know that it's scattered like that, all you have to do is just arrange it, then you fold it back into your hand. I don't know the hand you might be using, but this is the hand that's comfortable for me. So you just do a crisscross like this. This is the hand that's comfortable for me in holding my attachment. So you just hold it like this back. Make sure that it's in place. Then another tip is that when you're ventilating, you don't have to make a very large loop. Okay, let's take for example, let me ventilate the part that you can see very well. Okay, so I'm doing a spacing, so jump this line and go to this line. So when you're ventilating, sorry, I want to take this is 3 strands. So when you don't need to make a big loop before you can tie. The loops that you can make like this are only when you want to do a tutorial for someone. That's when you make a loop like this. Because if you make your look like this, it will make you slow. So what you have to do, once it's just like this, just go in. You can even reduce the loop. Just get the loop size of the hole. Then you drag it out immediately. It's just simple. Don't bother about the part that didn't enter. If it doesn't enter, just use your hand to straighten it. Don't go ahead to lose it or rip it off. And another tip is that when you make a mistake, maybe let's say you didn't skip a line, don't bother. It's a braided wig. Don't bother. The person braiding the wig will know what to do, or you just correct it immediately. Okay. And then another thing is that when you're ventilating, let me just take another one. When you're ventilating, don't pick from here. I don't know if you can pick from here, but me, I found out that picking from this downside is faster than picking from the upside. So it depends on you. If you find here faster, good. But if you see that here is very slow for you, try picking from the down. I think this side is faster. And then another thing to achieve a very neat work is when you're ventilating. Sorry, let me just take this one through. You can see the loop is small and it makes you faster. When you're ventilating, to make your work neat, all you have to do is ventilate this hole, leave this hole, and then ventilate. Leave this hole and ventilate this hole. And then when you want to move up, all you have to do is leave this line and ventilate this line. So that makes you faster and makes your wig neat. So as you can see, this is my own that I did in 1 hour. I did this in 1 hour as a beginner. So just take your time. If you still don't know how to loop, take your time and know how to loop, and you'll be perfect. It's not, I will tell you that it's not hard to ventilate. It's not hard. So just keep practicing, and then you'll be better like me, because me, I'm also a beginner and I'm able to do this. Like, I'm so wow. So guys, please, if you watch this video to the end, don't forget to subscribe. Ouch, sorry about that. So guys, if you watch this video to the end, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. If you have any video requests that you want me to make for you, do good to notify me, and I will put up the video for you. and I'm ventilating a full lace. If you are asking me, I'm ventilating a full lace wig. This is the full lace wig I'm ventilating. So maybe I'm going to put up the video once I'm done ventilating the wig. So see you guys in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel in case I post any video you would love to watch. You know, the slogan of this channel is sharing as I discover. So don't forget to subscribe so you can be part of our family to know whenever I make a new video. See you in my next video. Bye.